Spider mites are among the most prevalent pests that attack flowering and foliage plants. They harm plants by feeding on them as they go through their life cycle. But did you know that one of the simplest organic repellents to treat spider mite-infected plants is the Himalayan salt spray? Himalayan salt, also referred to as Himalayan crystal salt, is a kind of rock salt distinguished by its striking pink color, which results from the presence of several trace minerals, such as magnesium and iodine, in its natural state. It is thought to have long-term health benefits as well as the ability to function as a powerful pest control spray. This spray will help you if spider mites are your enemy. Just combine 1 gallon of water and 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt. Fill a spray bottle with it, and then apply it to the infected areas. That's how easy it is. Try it out and don't forget to let us know how it goes. We'd be interested to hear any simple tips you may have for creating your own organic pesticides.